Justin right in front of him. So we're rolling down the highway 3 deep now. We got one more to meet up with. Stopped at the clearing here on the Hurricane Creek Trail. Picked up a Jeep, it looks like. Maybe he's gonna ride with us. Everybody's airing down. We're gonna get rolling here in a little bit. There's the Jeep. Justin, Jeep. Reese back there. Our new buddy Bryce. About to get going. So we just left the clearing where we aired down. Now we're in the first part of the trail. It's pretty wet. We had a bunch of, well, not a bunch of snow, but there's a good dusting last night, so there's a bunch of water. So far so good. I got Bryce in front of me and Justin behind me. We picked up a Jeep, and it's gonna be a good day. Right on, dude. Power wagon don't care.
Power wagon over the fuck. Looking real good, real easy. All right, start to cut. Take it nice and slow. Start coming back my way. Nope, keep turning, keep coming. Start to go passenger. Climb that. There you go, straight on. There's that rock there. Yeah.
I got video of that thing grinding.
Huh?
I got video of it, I'm pretty sure.
You did?
Grinding.
Alright.
Sketchy looking spot, ain't it?
Go. I need some more fucking rock rails there. That's a nice little obstacle though.